Today we are removing the rear door panel and speaker from a Subaru Outback with a small pry tool. Move to the door open handle and pry the small panel at the back of this cavity from this opening. This will remove and will allow access to a hidden screw here in the cavity. With our pry bar, we're going to move to the handhold and pry at the very top of this handhold. It will separate to release the front cover. With these clips removed, you can pull this panel back and set it to the side. The clips release with pry pressure, and this will allow you to expose two hidden screws, one at the top of this handhold opening and one at the bottom of this handhold opening. With these screws removed, we can move with our pry bar to the bottom front edge of the door panel, pry along the bottom edge of the door panel, releasing clips. These clips will release up the front and rear edges of the panel. This will allow you to release all the clips and pull the bottom edge of the door panel out away from the door to be sure all the clips are released. You can then lift the back edge of the door panel up out of the window jamb, followed by the front edge of the window jamb. We're then going to pull the top edge of the door panel back so we can access the back of it. We're going to locate the two linkage cables to the door lock and door handle. There is a black cover here that releases, and you can remove this black cover to access the linkage. We're going to start with the bottom black linkage. Grasp the base of this linkage. It will pull up out of a plastic lock and allow you to spin this cable around to an opening to allow the end of the cable to release up and out of the locking mechanism. The upper cable, the white cable, we're going to repeat this process, and this will allow us to release the linkage. We have a full library of removal guides for amplifiers, other speakers, other vehicles. See our website if you need help with that. With these cables released, we'll be able to pull the door panel slightly back from the door to locate the connector at the control panel and release that and remove the door. Check the door for any panel clips that were not removed when the door panel was. Pry them from the door and place them back in the corresponding spots on the door panel. The speaker here is a 6.5-inch speaker. See our website for speaker phasing. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.